Hey, just bought this machine from Europart, 90 quid pressure washer. I'm just having a bit of trouble with it. It's got a very stiff hose, so it just coils on its end, and it's 7.5 kilograms. It's really light. I'll just show you what I mean. Here we go. Problems with it cleaner. So this hose is a major problem. It's real stiff. Come on. It's a 5 litre hose, but you can't realistically use 5 litres of it, as I'll show you. So put that, got 2 metres, 3 metres, got it. And then even if it stretches out, it would stretch it out to try and get rid of kinks. Here we are. On again. It's too light for the hose. You need about a 20 kilogram pack to hold this kinky hose up. It's a really light machine, and this hose is just not adequate for the machine. As you can see, when you try and ravel it back up and it's kinking up again. I think the wheel's going to break. Before you can realistically. Oh, light. Yeah. So that's your Europart 90 quid cleaner.